Hello, I'd just like to take you through the new range of EchoMaster HD radios to be released this year, 2019. Starting with the RM2000 radio. This is a feature-rich radio, features that you expect to find in a modern car or commercial vehicle. This radio is highly validated for the use in harsh environments. It can put up with high degrees of vibration and temperature variations. It's a very robust radio, and this is our leading radio for the use in that particular industry. Moving on to the next platform, this is the 1800. The 1800 is available as a standard radio with Bluetooth or with Bluetooth and DAB. And the 1900, which is the same radio, also but this time available in a CD version. So it's a very exciting time for us. As I say, we've got the three radio platforms, the two platforms, the RM1800, the RM1900, and the RM2000, built specifically for the agricultural and construction industry.